In this video, we will show how to use Excel to construct a frequency distribution using data for a sample of 50 brand of soft drinks purchased. The heading, brand purchased, and the data for the 50 soft drinks purchased are entered into cell A1, A51. Next, we enter the label soft drinks and frequency into cell C1 and D1. And soft drink names, Coke Classic, Diet Coke, Mirinda, Pepsi Cola, and Sprite into cell C2, C6. To count the number of times that Coke Classic appears, we'll then enter the formula equal to count if bracket A2 to A51, comma C2 bracket close into cell D2. Then we have the frequency for Coke Classic to be 19. To count the number of times the other soft drinks appear, we'll enter the formula equal to count if bracket A2 to A51, comma C3 bracket close equal to count if bracket A2 to A51, comma C4 bracket close equal to count if bracket A2 to A51, comma C5 bracket close equal to count if A2 to A51, comma C6 bracket close. We can then see that Excel shows the frequency distribution for the brand of soft drinks purchased.